Hi and welcome to the world of Diwa. I'm Diana and today I will show you a step-by-step guide how to set up your Diwa. Here you can see Diwa as it comes out of the box. It's not activated at the moment, but the activation process is quite easy. If we take Diwa in our hands and look at the bottom of it, you will see a small hole here. You just need to take the included safety pin or any other paper clip and push into this hole for about 3 seconds. And now we can see the QR code on the screen of the Diwa, and we need to use our Diwa app, which you can download from the App Store. So first you open up your Diwa app. First you will see that you need to either log in if you already have an account or register. Since I already have an account, I will just log in. So after you log in or register, you will see a step-by-step guide in the Diwa app. So it's a welcome screen. You will need to click Start. It will show that if the screen is empty, you will need to charge your Diwa. So please connect your Diwa to the power supply and then we can continue. Click Next. You will need to enter your location. And with this feature, you can display different screens in your different restaurants and locations. So we will call it Cologne. We need to select our time zone. And now you're ready to scan your QR code. In the next step, you need to select your Wi-Fi network. And fill in the password. You can either store it for later or just for one-time usage. So now Diwa is connected to the network, and as soon as you see connection successful on your screen, you can continue with your setup. Now you need to name your Diwa. It makes more sense to name the Diwa by the table that it will be placed on. So let's name it Table 1. Now you will be asked to assign the content to your Diwa. You can either choose the chalkboard, select the sample, use your camera, or upload your own image. Let's select a sample, for example this one, and you're done. In the next 5 minutes you will see the change on your display, and this is basically it. Now your setup for your first Diwa is completed. You can either add more Diwas, show your Diwas, show the locations. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.